In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect air conditioner with iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up most air conditioners with an iPhone. So for this example, I chose to showcase this general process with a Samsung air conditioner. However, I want to make it very clear that these steps that I show you will apply for most other manufacturers or brands. But you will have to download different applications depending on your brand. So for example, if you have an air conditioner from LG, instead of using the SmartThings app, which I'm going to be talking about for Samsung, you would download the LG ThinQ application. And inside of the app, you will be able to find air conditioners from LG. So you just tap the plus sign to add a new device and you go through the process. For this video, the example that I chose, like I said multiple times, is a Samsung air conditioner. Because this process is going to utilize a specific brand or a specific manufacturer's app, I cannot give you instructions for every single one of them. Find the application for your specific brand, and most of them will be set up and connected through Wi-Fi. So always ensure that this is enabled and properly set up on your iPhone. Now, open the app related to your manufacturer. So in this example here, we have SmartThings for a Samsung air conditioner. And then usually you just have to tap the plus sign or the option to add devices. Either of these buttons will do. When you tap the option to add a new device, you will see the main ways. For SmartThings, they allow us to add devices using a QR code or by choosing the device type. So you can choose whichever one you prefer. If you choose the device type manually, you will have to use the remote. So you tap air conditioner here and they will give you instructions. You have to press this specific button on the remote. Depending on the model, you will have to press and hold different buttons, so just follow the instructions here. Like I said, this is going to differ for every single brand, but most of them will give you a specific Wi-Fi network that you need to connect into. So you just go into the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone and you connect using the password displayed here. Once you are connected to that network, it is going to be set up accordingly. So now you will be able to control the air conditioner through the application. You can power it on, you can change the temperature, and set up different settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect air conditioner with iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.